Hi guys, I'm Anna and today I'm gonna be creating a very clean, fresh foot look, but of course, keeping it easy and breezy for you. For today's look, we're going to focus on COVERGIRL's Clean Fresh collection. All of these products are vegan, cruelty-free, they are formulated without sulfates, formaldehyde, phthalates, parabens, mineral oil, or talc, so we are all good. Our skin needs to be the main attraction in this look, so we're going to start applying the Clean Fresh Prep and Set Water Mist in Rose. It's super good to freshen up the skin and have a hydrated base as well. Next step is the Clean Fresh Skin Milk. It's such a lightweight foundation. It's like a tinted moisturizer and it's super good because it has coconut milk and lye extracts, all the good stuff. It comes in 14 shades, and because the coverage is more like a tinted moisturizer as I mentioned before, the shades are very forgiving and easy to match your skin tone. Now we're gonna move on to concealer, and we're gonna be using the Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. These are actually pretty new to their Clean Fresh family, and what I like the most is that they have some sort of flexibility in their shades. Alright, so here we have light medium, medium, and medium tan. I can use any of these for you guys. It also just depends on what you're looking for, how you like your makeup. If you like an under eye a lot brighter than usual, you can go for the lighter shade. It will still go with your skin tone. Those are the places where I like to apply it. I am also going to bring it to my eyelids so I can use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And before I set my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead with the Clean Fresh Cream Blush in the shade Butterflies. Now it's time for a little bit of eye illuminator, and we're gonna be using the Clean Fresh Baiting Illuminator in the shade So Guilty. And with a sponge, we blend it. Now we're gonna set our makeup. We're gonna be using the Clean Fresh Pressed Powder. This pressed powder contains tapioca, aloe vera, super good for your skin, and it's also a newer addition to the Clean Fresh collection, as well as the concealer, so you guys need to make sure to check it out. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Full Spectrum COVERGIRL So Saturated eyeshadow palette. We're going to go for a very everyday foot look. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Clean Fresh in Extreme Black. This Clean Fresh mascara is actually super good. It gives your lashes a volume, length, and definition. It's vegan, and the brush is actually designed to find lashes you didn't even know you had. And it's also exclusive at Ulta Beauty. We are almost done. We're almost there. But first, I need to hydrate my lips. I'm going to be using the Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Fresh Squeezed. Now we're gonna move on to the actual last step of our look. It's the Clean Fresh Prep and Set Water Mist. We use the to prep our skin. Now we're gonna use it to completely set all of our makeup. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, COVERGIRL, for having me. Mwah! Bye.